Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Learn Quran with Inam, and this is your teacher Muhammad Inam. And today we are going to learn third part of lesson number 12. And if you didn't learn first part of lesson 12, then you should learn first part because I taught all rules in first part. And if you understand and learn all rules of lesson 12 in first part, then you can read whole lesson easily. So let's start this lesson. We will read one line without spell, one line with spell, as well as we will apply all rules, inshallah. So qaf is musta'ali letter, that's why we have to read with thicker voice. And there is zabar before this raw sakina, that's why raw will be read with thicker voice. And dod is musta'ali letter, we have to read with thicker voice. And alif can't be read if we read this word with spelling. So there is halki letter after tanween, that's why there is izhar and without gunna. Let's read it with spelling. Qaf ra zabar qar. You have to revise after me. Qaf ra zabar qar. Dad two zabar don. Qardon. Ha zabar ha. Sin zabar sa. Hasa. Noon two zabar nan. Hasanan. Qardon hasanan. There is vowel because there is zabar before this vaw sakina, that's why without stretching. And ikfa letter has come after tanween, that's why there is ikfa, and with gunna there is yamata, and we have to stretch equal to 1 second. Qaf vav zabar qaw. Lam two zabar lan. Qawlan. Sin zabar sa. Dal ya zirdi. Sadi. Dal two zabar dan. Sadidan. Now we will read these words combinedly. Qawlan sadidan. So next word, there is ikfa letter after tanween, that's why we will read with ikfa with gunna. There is ya madda and we will stretch equal to 1 second. Ba zir bi. Qaf lam zabar qal. Biqal. Ba two zir bin. Biqal bin. Sin zabar sa. Lam ya zir li. Sali. Mim two zir min. Salimin. Biqalbin salimin. Next line without spell. There is harki letter after tanween, that's why there is har without gunna. There is alif madda, and there that's why we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. Mulaqin hisabiyah. Next word, there is hamza sakina with jerk, and there is ikfa letter after tanween, that's why there is ikfa with gunna. There is ya madda, that's why we have to stretch equal to 1 second. Ba'siyan shadidin. Next word, there is alif madda, that's why it will be stretched equal to 1 alif. There is tanween after that, there is ikfa letter, that's why there is ikfa with gunna. There is ya madda, and we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. Adhabun shadidun. Next line with spelling. First of all, rules. There is zabar before this vowel, there is vowel, so there is tanween after that, halki letter, that's why there is har without gunna. There is zabar before this ya sakina, that's why there is yalin without stretching and jerking. So qaf waw zabar qaw. Mim two zabar man. Qawman. Ghain ya zabar ghay. Ra zabar ra. Ghayra. Kaf mim pesh kum. Ghayrakum. Now without now we are going to read combinedly both words. قوما غيركم. Next word, there is ikhfa letter after tanween. That's why there is ikhfa and with gunna, and this alif is alif madda, so it will be stretched equal to 1 second. Ain zabar a, mim zabar ma, ama, lam tu zabar lan, amalan, صاد alif zabar so, lam zirli, صالي, ha tu zabar han, صالحا. Now combinedly, both words combinedly. عملا صالحا. Next there is alif madda, so that's why it will be stretched equal to 1 alif. There is tanween after that ikfa letters. There is ikfa with gunna, and last letter is waw, and there is waw madda, and we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. So ra zerri, jim alif zabar ja, rija, lam tu pesh lun, rijalun, صاد زبر صا، دال زبر دا، صدى، قاف واو پیش قو، صدقوا، رجال صدقوا. Next line we are going to read next line without spelling. But first of all, we will apply the rules, then letter will be read. There is yamadda, so we have to stretch equal to 1 second, and cough is mustalia, that's why with thicker voice. There is izhar because ghain is halki letter, after it has come after tanween, that's why it will be read without gunna, so without spell. Qalilatin ghalabat. Next word, there is alif madda, so that's why it will be stretched equal to 1 alif. There is tanween, and after that ikfa letter, so that's why there is gunna. عذابا ضعفا. Next word, there is tanween after that ikfa letter, that's why gunna, and there is alif madda, so we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. musfiratun ضاحكة. Next line with spelling, there's yamada, that's why we have to stretch equal to 1 alif, and after that tanween, and then harki letter has come, that's why there is har without gunna, and there's yamada, and we have to stretch equal to 1 alif. Let's read it with spelling and revise after me. Ain zabara, lam ya zirli, ali, mim tu peshmun, alimun, kha zabar kha, ba ya zir bi, khabi, ra tu peshrun, khabirun, alimun khabirun. Next word, this ba is calcula letter, that's why with echo sound, and this ikfa letter, and it has come after tanween, that's why there is ikfa with gunna, and there is yamada, and we have to stretch equal to 1 alif, and alif can't be read because it has come after double zabar, that's why it can't be read during spelling. Let's read it. Sin ba zabar sab, ha tu zabar han, sabhan, to zabar to, वाव या जेरवी, طوي, لام تو زبر لان, طويلا, سبحا طويلا. Next word, there is a meme and wow, and both letter have vertical zabar only. That's why both letter will be stretched equal to one alif. There is ikfa letter after tanween. That's why there is ikfa with gunna. There is alif madda and it will be stretched equal to 1 second. And alif has come after double zabar. That's why we can't read during spelling. Sin zabar sa. Mim khada zabar ma. Sama. Wow khada zabar wa. Sama wa. Ta tu zetin. Samawatin. To zirti. Ba alif zabar ba. Tiba. Kof tu zabar kon. Tiba kon. Now both words without spell. Samawatin tibaqan. Next line with spelling. Without spelling, you have to repeat after me. First of all, rules. There's halkia letter and it has come after tanween. That's why there is har without gunna. So rafin khudrin. There's alif madda. One it will be stretched equal to 1 second, and there's ikfa letter after tanween. That's why there is ikfa with gunna. So sahabun dhulumatun. Next word there is ikfa letter after tanween. That's why with gunna. Nafsiyan zalamat. Next line we will read with spelling. So there's vowel because there's zabar before it's vaw sakina. That's why it will be read without stretching. So ikfa letter has come after tanween. That's why there's ikfa with gunna. There's alif madda. So madda letter is stretched equal to 1 second. So there's ya madda. So this ya madda will be stretched equal to one alif. So let's read it with spelling. Qaf waw zabar qaw. Mim tu zabar man. Qawman. Fa alif zabar fa. Sin zir si. Fa si. Qaf ya zir qi. Fa si qi. Nun zabar na. Fa si qina. Now both words without spell. قوما فاسقين. Next word, there's ikfa letter after tanween. That's why there's ikfa with gunna. There's alif madda and it will be stretched equal to one alif. So we will read it. Sin pesu. Ba peshbu. Subu. Lam tu zabarlan. Subulan. Fa zerfi. Jim alif zabarja. Fija. Jim tu zabarjan. Fijajan. Subulan fijajan. Then next word. There's ikfa letter and after tanween, that's why there's ikfa with gunna. There's ya madda and we have to stretch equal to one alif. And if we read this word with spelling, then alif can't be read because it has come after double zabar. So repeat after me. Tha zabar tha. Mim zabar ma. Sama. Noon tu zabar nan. Thamanan. Qaf zabar qa. Lam ya zirli. Qali. Lam tu zabar lan. Qalilan. Thamana qalilan. So next word without spell. There is ikhfa. This word will be read with ikhfa because there is ikhfa letter after tanween. That's why we have to read with gunna. Fathun qaribun. This word, this rule of ikhfa, Rasuliyan Karimin. There is alif madda. That's why we have to stretch equal to one alif. There is ikfa rule, rule of ikfa for this word. That's why we have to do gunna. There is alif madda. We have to stretch equal to one alif, and there is ya madda. So that's why it will be stretched equal to one alif. Kiraman katibina. And we have completed third part of lesson number 12. Tomorrow inshallah we will start next lesson, lesson number 13 inshallah. If you couldn't understand anything and if you want to ask any question, you can use my WhatsApp number for asking any question. Inshallah I will give you answer of your question. And if you like this video, then share with your family, friends and relatives, as well as subscribe this channel. We will come again in your tomorrow class and we will start lesson number 13. So remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.